Something's happening in my neighborhood. Something's changing in a big way. It's called rock.
Money's the key to end all your woes. Your ups, your downs, your highs, and your lows.
Cops is on us. More street business means more problems we don't need.
It's like that.
Only deal with high-level customers. They buy the coke, they cook the rock they sells. All we gotta do is deliver and collect. Problem is,
And that's the way it is.
I don't know what to do with my money.
The best kind of problems.
The DEA is on a rampage down in Colombia. Prices are rising.
Just like that?
I am the only reason that you are breathing free air right now.
What happens when they try to cut into our territory?
If y'all want to do serious business, I suggest you get in line.
Cause either we be in business, or you and everybody you know will be gone. I will bring you all down. You and me, we have war.
Everything all right?
Fine.
It's like that.
The business has gotten too big.
This ain't about you. This about all of us.
Here we are, on top of the world.
It's like that. And that's the way it is.
How does it feel now?
Like power.
Snowfall premieres Wednesday, July 10th on FX.